So guys, today is the first day of rain in Dubai after summer. So I believe it's winter time now. See, it's very wet. I'm not sure if you will see the drop of the rain, so we put some covered here because there are some things that we put. So if you can see those floors, it's wet. So this is the first rain in Dubai. So today I'm here living in Mamzar. So today the road is very traffic because there are some of those roads which is flooding. There are some of those roads which is flooding. So I came in Stadium Metro Station today like 3:42 p.m. and then I reached home around 5 o'clock. So imagine how traffic is it, and it's like 2 or 3 kilometers only away from my house, and it took me 1 hour. So it's raining. So the neighbors here outside also. These are the neighbors area. So it's like this. So I hope tomorrow there is no rain anymore, and I hope that it's not hot anymore, so that, like, you know, it's very nice to walk outside. So these are the plants that I planted. So this is the sweet potato, and those are the lemongrass, and I have also that one and some things over there. So today is their day because the rain is coming. So let's see tomorrow if the rain will come or no.